If you not subscribed yet my YouTube channel, my request is to do the subscribe and don't forget to share this channel, because I am giving regularly the financial knowledge through my this YouTube channel. So don't miss the opportunity to subscribe and share, and don't miss to do the like. Today the discussion is principle in life insurance company. What is the principle have, and insurance company must will follow the rule of principle which is made by government. So what is the first principle? The first principle is utmost good faith. What is utmost good faith? If suppose early claim happened, means before 3 years, if life assured dead, the company will do the investigation and will check the all whatever the proposal form he filled on the time of taking policy, and will check all the things. Then insurance company will decide to pass the claim or reject. But 3 years happened. After 3 years, section 45 say that life insurance claim cannot stop. The section 45, under section 45, life insurance must have to give the claim to his nominee. Large number, the principle of large number. On the time of you bought the ticket, suppose train ticket, you can see on ticket the insurance premium is deducting by railway. And if you are, suppose you are going from to somewhere and lakhs of people have in train, if someone dead in train, so this is a responsibility of train, and for there the railway will give the insurance amount to his nominee. So this is, so the principle of large number, the minor amount company charge for give the insurance. So this is the principle of large number. Principle of insurable interest is, if someone dead and for him someone else affect the financially loss, like if husband dead will affect to his wife, if wife dead will affect to her husband, for father children, for business partner, for employer employee, for creditor debtor. So due to someone else will affect the financial loss, is called principle of insurable interest. Sharing and pooling. Many years ago there was no any insurance company. The lots of ship owner go to sea for catching the fish, but someone is not back due to any reason, any quake or any damage on ship. So for this financially go in trouble his wife. So one powerful person said, why not we all ship owner arrange one monthly, we are keep the money, and if someone dead in sea, so money which is arranged, which we will give to his wife, so his wife and children will not go in trouble and survive the life peacefully. So this is a 4 type of principle which is come in insurance company and made by government.